Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of 18th block, which is patterns. Yes, and we have learned how to create the pattern with different shapes, and also we have learned how to create a pattern using one shape by rotating it. Isn't it, children? And also, in the third topic, we have learned how to create a pattern by growing the pattern designs. Isn't it, children? The shapes. Yes. So, in the fourth topic, we are going to learn the number patterns. Okay. So, let's see. Complete the pattern by adding the next four numbers to each. That means they have given the numbers and they are following some pattern like addition or subtraction or multiplication. They are doing some pattern rule and they are writing. So what is our work is to identify that pattern rule, whether it is addition, subtraction or multiplication, and then write the next four numbers. Okay, so let's see. So 8, 16, 24. So if you see, children, 8 plus 8 will become 16, isn't it? For 16, if you add plus 8, that becomes 22, 24, isn't it? 8 plus 8 becomes 16. 16 plus 8 becomes 24. So here what they are doing, how they are creating this pattern, by adding 8 to the numbers, isn't it? So for this 24, if you add 8, then you can write the next number, isn't it? So 24 plus 8 will give us 32. And for 32, if you add 8, that becomes 40. Yes. So for this 40, if you add 8 again, that becomes 48. And for this 48, if you add again 8, then you will get 56. Okay, so for given numbers, you should understand what pattern they have followed to write those numbers, and following that pattern you need to write the next numbers. That is only your number pattern. Okay, children, so this is plus 8. Now let's see next one. 5, 10, 15, 20. Here you can easily say it is plus 5, isn't it? 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. That means here the pattern is plus 5. Adding, we are adding 5. So 20 plus 5 becomes 25. 25 plus 5 becomes 30. 30 plus 5 becomes 35. 35 plus 5 becomes 40. Okay, so you need to understand the pattern what they are following and you need to do. Let's see the next one. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, and there are 4 dashes where you need to write the next 4 numbers. So if you see this pattern, children, so 1 plus 1 will give us 2. 2 plus 2 give us 4. So if you add 3, 4 plus 3 give us 7. 7 plus 4 give us 11. Okay. If you want, you can check. 1 plus 1 is 2. Yes. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11. That means you are adding the numbers by increasing the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number will be added with 5. Then next number with 6. Then next number with 7. Okay. So that is the pattern. Okay. So here 11 you got by adding 4 to 7. So 4 we finish. 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5 will give us 16. So 16 plus 6. 22. 22 plus 7. 29. 29 plus 8. 37. Okay. So for different numbers, there will be different pattern rules. Okay. Let's see the next one. So the numbers are 1, 3, 7, 13, 21. Dash, dash, dash and dash. Okay. So if you observe, children, so for 1, if you add 2, 1 plus 2 will give us 3, isn't it? And for 3, if you add 4, then you will get 7. 3 plus 4 will give us 7. And 7 plus 6 will give us 13. 7 plus 6, 13, isn't it? And for 13, if you add 8, you will get 21. 13 plus 8, 21. That means here they are adding the skip counting of 2, isn't it? 2, 4, 6, 8 is skip counting of 2, or you can say the multiplication table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, only the answers. Or you can think as they are adding the alternate numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8 alternate numbers. If you see, children, so the next numbers would be plus 10, plus 12, plus 14, yes or no, plus 16. So alternate numbers or 2 table or 6 skip counting of 2. After 8 you will get 10, 12, 14, 16. That means for the next numbers you need to add 10, 12, 14 and 16. Yes, so 12 plus 10 will give us 31. 31 plus 12 you need to have. 10 we finished, so you have to add 12. So 31 plus 12 will become 43. And for this 43 you need to add 14, isn't it? That becomes 57. And for 57 you need to add 16. So if you add 16, that becomes 73. Okay. So here in this sum, they have used the pattern as adding the even numbers or adding the skip counting of 2, you can say. Okay. Next, 150, 200, 3, 150. So here, children, you can see two patterns, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3 is one pattern where you are writing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you have another pattern where you have 50, 100, 150. That is, you are writing the 50s, isn't it? So the next number would be this, that is 4. And the next number for 150, it becomes 200, isn't it? And for 4, it becomes 5. After 5 and 250 will be the last number. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But here you need to write, after 4 you need to write the 50s. So 150 plus 50 will give us 200. So you will write 200. Okay. And now we have to write this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 we finished. So here we need to write 5. So you will write 5. Okay. Then next you have the 50s one. 50, 100, 150, 200. Next you will get 250. So you will write 250. Okay. So in this way. Next, you may have two patterns also in one question. So here, if you see, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And 3 plus 4 equal to 7. That means they are adding the numbers 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, isn't it? And they are writing the answer. So till where they have added 1 plus 2 they have done, 2 plus 3 they have done, 3 plus 4 also they have done. Then 4 plus 5 we need to do, and next 5 plus 6 we need to do and write the answer. So 4 plus 5 becomes 9. 5 plus 6 becomes 11. So that's what you will write it in these two dashes. So they have given here only two dashes. So you will write only two dashes. Okay. Next. So here they have given two dashes again, but here look at this sum 1 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. They have written the answer also. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is finished. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is finished. Now next 3 plus 4 plus 5 you will get. And next 4 plus 5 plus 6. Isn't it? So 1 plus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 plus 5. You will get 12. And next 4 plus 5 plus 6. Which you will get as 15. Okay, so looking at the number, you have to recognize what pattern they have followed. According to that, you need to write the number. Okay, children. So write these sums in your classwork. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 3, page number 13, S4, number patterns. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn the next block. With this, we have completed with our block, isn't it, children? So in the next class, I'll meet you with a new block, children. See you in the next class. Bye.